Hi, welcome back to the Edge Computing Week 5 Assignment 5. In the week 4, we have two mistakes. Now I tried well to do correctly. So coming to the first question, Mobile Edge Computing provides IT and cloud computing capabilities within the dash in close proximity to mobile subscribers, radio access network. Select the characteristics of mobile edge computing: proximity, lower latency, and location awareness. In case of VM-based resources, the resource allocation problem has to deal with which of the following: minimize execution delay of the uploaded application, minimize VM migration cost, prevent resource overloading, over provisioning. In central deployment, the small cell manager can be deployed where a local SCM manages the computing and storage resources of the SCNB's cluster in a vicinity, while a remote SCM located in the CN has resources of all SCNBs and connected to the core network at the disposal. That statement is true. Where is the control entity located in the mobile micro clouds? That is mobile management entity. Which of the following is core entity in MEC system level management according to ETSI MEC architecture? This is mobile edge orchestra. And select the objectives of a task offloading out of the following: energy, response time. The computational offloading decision is done at user equipment by means of a offloading policy module. In task offloading, Dash is responsible for monitoring various parameters such as available bandwidth, the data size to offloaded, or energy spent by execution of the application locally, the system profiler. In the Dash process, the MUC system can split a cluster into small clusters if the cluster is becoming overloaded, or merge small clusters into large cluster if the clusters are underutilized. That is successive cluster optimization. Now you can submit your answers. Once the answers are submitted, you can see that the assessment is submitted. So this is regarding the assignment 5. And if you have any questions regarding these assignment questions, you can comment in the comment box. So subscribe the channel. Thank you.